with my hand raised. I didn't know a raised hand could cause this much controversy, but I would like to clarify my position. The question posed to me was, is it okay to teach children that it's okay to be gay? I want to stand here and tell you all that I misunderstood the question. My stance is very, very clear. Children should not be exposed to anything that is not age appropriate, and parents should have every opportunity to bring their children up with their ethics and their values. This question should not have been asked because children should never be exposed to anything that is not age appropriate. If I had understood that question to be what it is, I would not have raised my hand.
Alhamdulillah.
Well done.
True accountability, any jabas tusa tu chaka chira tu sa chup jao. The lady who has اتنی room ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਖਲੋ ਕੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਖੋ ਜੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਗਲਤੀ ਹੋਈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨੇ ਕਾਉਂਸਲਰ ਅੱਜ ਤੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ Up until this day, have you seen a single Labour councillor come up to you and accept that they have been wrong? Have you seen a single Labour councillor able to stand against party lines and raise their voice for the residents of Allenbrook?
Well done.
Never!